Hello wonderful person, this is Anton, and today we're taking a look at a space game called The Fall of Lazarus. This is a game I recently discovered on Steam by playing through the free demo, and I actually got really intrigued by it, so I wanted to see if this was going to be fun to purchase as well. Anyway, let's find out what this game is all about, and welcome to What the Math. So you can totally go on Steam and play through The First Passenger. This is actually a free demo available, and this is kind of what got me to buy this game. I'm going to show you the first few minutes of the game and just give you an idea of what it's like and what to expect from it. But I'm going to make sure not to spoil this for you because it's actually a mystery game and you may want to play through this if you actually want to learn more about it. So when you start the game, you actually get to enter this QB thingy-majiggy, and then you begin everything from a cryogenic pod, and this is basically where your game starts in the prologue and also in the main game. Now you basically are stuck on a spaceship called Lazarus. Alright then, so this is where the game starts. You're basically in this room, and I believe you may have to actually pass a test here. At least you did have to do this in the... oh, maybe not. In the demo. And basically, once you walk through, you can start interacting with things and objects, and I think I have to get something from my locker. If there is a locker, that's mine, maybe not.
Whoops. I don't think I can let you out like that. Please put some clothes on. You'll find everything you need in the locker.
Alright, so I have to go and find my locker. I thought it was here, but apparently not. So the game actually is made by a small team of developers, and this is their first game, I believe. And so there is going to be a lot of small mistakes here and there. There's actually a lot of typos. There's some grammar mistakes because their first language is not English. But nevertheless, the game is very intriguing, very mysterious, and involves quite a lot of puzzles. Now, the first part here can be solved pretty easily by just clicking on that whatever tower thing that was. So, here we go.
Can anyone tell me what's going on?
Wow, looking good.
What the hell?
I know I seem like a broken record, but I never tire of saying it. Welcome back.
Back? Back to where? No offense, but is there an actual, person I can talk to?
None taken. I'm Hybris, the artificial intelligence commanding this ship and your assistant aboard the USSC Lazarus. I'm concerned about possible after effects. I suggest a full medical.
Lazarus, I don't remember how I got here. I think I saw something flash. I don't know, but my head is throbbing.
Relax, it'll be over soon. Get your clothes from the locker and I'll see you in the examination room. Take your time.
Alright, so that's kind of how the game starts. You're introduced to the ship's AI. You find yourself in a very peculiar situation where you don't really know what's going on. And for the most part, your job is to figure out what's going on, figure out how to get off the ship or what to do in the ship. And this is where things get really intriguing and mysterious. Now, the cool thing about this game is that it has a very, very large amount of information. There's a lot of places to explore. The ship is actually really, really big. And there's a lot of items to interact with. The puzzles are also relatively challenging, and I've already gotten stuck a few times here and there, but it's not impossible. As a matter of fact, I'm actually thinking of even doing this as a playthrough because I love these types of games. This is a game where you actually have to think. It's a game where you have to explore, you have to really, really take your time in reading and analyzing things, and I really, really like these. Now, if you actually did play the demo, you'll notice that there's these markings everywhere, and this becomes really, really intriguing and peculiar. I'm not going to spoil anything. I'm not going to actually mention anything about what I think is happening here because I'm thinking I'll do this if I do this as a Let's Play. But this ship is really mysterious. There's something going on here, and you have to discover it. Now, I don't know if I'll be able to solve this first puzzle because I think I just have to find a way to open my locker. And I don't even have the tool to scan this thing with yet. which means that I'm gonna have to do a bit of exploring and try to find my password for the locker, that is. Okay, let's move on to one of the crew cabins here and see if I can just maybe open these. Oh, okay, yeah, it's already open. So there's nothing here. There's something here. You can interact with items and basically pick everything up. And I don't know what that is. Is that a tampon? Sure looks like one. Maybe it's one of these lockers here. Okay. Oh, look at that. It's a Nintendo Switch. I love it. Can I keep it? No, I can't. What's this? Another tampon. Great. Very interesting. None of these are useful to me yet. So the AI is telling me to get dressed. Oh, maybe this is me. I don't know how to do that.
That's not my name. but I don't see it anywhere, so this must be mine.
Huh, interesting.
Shit! I forgot the damn code. Let's give muscle memory a try.
Muscle memory. Oh, okay, cool. Okay, so I know how this works. I have to find the numbers that will make, there we go, 8, 9, right? All right, so we have 1, 2, 8, 9. There we go. I think that's it. Perfect. So looks like we solved our first puzzle. It wasn't too hard, but very, very original. We got our clues, and now we can proceed to the next part of this.
I haven't seen one of those locks in years.
Oh, wow. Next part of the... Interesting. Huh. Okay, this is nothing. This is nothing.
Is this coup? Who put this here?
What is this?
I'd better get rid of it before Hybris sees it.
I don't actually know what that is. Okay, so now that we're dressed, I think we can actually take the elevator, but I think I'm still missing quite a lot of tools here. Now, can I interact with computers? A lot of the computers here are actually interactable, but you do need a login and a password for them. And what's cool about this game is that it does provide you with a lot of reading. There's a lot of emails, a lot of actually even media that you can see and watch, which is pretty cool. Now, what level am I going to? I guess level 2. Okay.
Ship is falling to pieces.
I'll
fix that in a jiffy.
Yeah. All right. That doesn't sound very good. Oh boy. Okay. All right. So this is already kind of getting a little bit scary. Now I don't think it's a horror game, but there is definitely going to be some elements that will make you scared.
That's the best I've experienced in a long time. Keep them coming.
Like
What
that.
was that? Hybris? I think I found someone on the ship, but now they seem to have vanished.
You are the only living organism in the room. It's probably just residual synaptic activity from the cryosleep module. Don't worry about it.
I'm no expert, but these side effects seem a bit too weird to be purely medical. Well, who knows? Nothing would surprise me with this technology.
And that's kind of the main principle of this game. You'll actually have a lot of visions, you'll have some crazy experiences, and for the most part, the mystery is only going to get more and more unusual and even terrifying. Now, oh Jesus. That's, I guess, a bit of a spoiler. Yeah, that's normal. Let's close that door. I don't want to spoil this any further. I'm actually going to possibly play through this as a separate Let's Play, so if you want to watch what happens afterwards, I'm definitely going to start this game from scratch and show you the actual tutorial as well, and most likely finish this in a few parts. Now, this game is actually... Oh, okay. This game is actually really cool. I'm really enjoying... Okay, I don't know where this is headed. I'm really enjoying the mystery. I'm enjoying the fact that this is a spaceship and that you don't really know what's going on. And I'm definitely going to be enjoying the puzzles here. They are just the right difficulty, requiring just the right amount of brain power. So that's the Fall of Lazarus in a nutshell. Do consider buying this game. It will help the developers possibly come up with more games like this. And I'm going to try to put this up on the channel in the next few weeks. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and hopefully you will consider purchasing this game called The Fall of Lazarus. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Come back tomorrow to learn something else, and don't forget to subscribe if you still haven't. Anyway, space out, and as always, bye-bye. Here we go.
What is all this? Where am I? Hybris? This can't be happening. A fucking sea? What if I'm still in cryosleep?